Our school peon. Peon is a very important person in our school. The school peon is different in nature from the peons of all other offices. The peon of all other offices are very rude and proudy, but the school peon is not so. He is very humble and polite. Jamil is the peon our school. He is very good man. He reached the school before school times. He opened the rooms and dusted the principal office and the staff room. He is senior and regular in his works. He sits outside the principal office. He keeps the school notice board up to date. He rings the bell in time. He looks fresh and active all the time in the school. He carries out his duty in a nice manner and he is very responsible and honest. Thank you.